Are you looking for the best rotary beard trimmers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best rotary beard trimmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wahl Color Pro Beard Trimmer Model 302-5945. The Wahl Color Pro Trimmer offers a user-friendly grooming experience with its color-coded guide combs, making it easy to find the right beard length. You can effortlessly customize your look with 8 different comb sizes, ensuring you achieve your desired style without any hassle. The self-sharpening precision blades provide a sharp and clean cut, perfect for maintaining your beard and mustache. Additionally, this versatile kit includes detail trimmers for small areas like your mustache and eyebrows, as well as a rotary trimmer for nose and ear hair, making it an all-in-one grooming solution. What we like: color-coded guide combs, self-sharpening precision blades, multi-purpose grooming kit, cordless convenience. Number 2. Wahl Micro Groomsman Personal Pen Trimmer. The Wahl Micro Groomsman Personal Pen Trimmer is a 5-piece kit that is perfect for trimming beards, nose, and ear hair. It features superior blades, rugged anodized aluminum housing, and is battery-operated for superior performance, power, and run time. It is great for light hair removal such as nose, ear, brow, sideburn, toes, and touch-ups on the neckline. It is also travel-friendly and hygienic, with easily detachable heads and a rotary ear and nose trimmer head for a hygienic grooming experience. What we like: compact design for travel-friendly use, rugged anodized aluminum housing for superior performance, rotary ear and nose trimmer head for hygienic grooming, easily detachable heads for hygienic grooming, self-sharpening precision blades for a smooth shave. Number 3. Tacshaver by Bell+Howell. The Bell+Howell Tacshaver is a set of 2 rechargeable beard trimmers that provide a close shave similar to that of a classic foil razor. The triple multidirectional stainless steel rotary heads work together to ensure a smooth and comfortable shave, while the trimmer conveniently pops up for facial hair styling purposes. With this shaver, you can achieve sharper mustache and sideburn edges with ease. The Tacshaver is perfect for those who want a quick and efficient way to groom their facial hair. It is also easy to clean and maintain, making it a convenient addition to your grooming routine. What we like: triple multidirectional rotary heads, pop-up trimmer for facial hair styling, rechargeable. Number 4. Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner Trimmer. The Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner Trimmer is a versatile, all-in-one device suitable for crisp, clean lines, dry shaving, and sharp edges. This powerful corded trimmer features a high-torque rotary motor, bump-free technology, and strong carbon T-blades with diamond finishing for a super close, clean shave without causing razor bumps or irritation. The blades are durable and stay sharp longer than other blades, providing smooth hair/beard trimming with total body grooming. This trimmer is perfect for all ages and comes with a heavy-duty 8-foot cord for durability and longevity. What we like: versatile all-in-one device suitable for all ages, powerful and durable with a high-torque rotary motor and strong carbon T-blades, bump-free technology for a super close, clean shave without causing razor bumps or irritation. Number 5. Aesfee 5-in-1 Beard Trimmer Kit. The Aesfee Beard Trimmer Kit is a versatile grooming tool designed for men. With its 5-in-1 functionality, you can easily trim your beard, hairstyle, and body hair, as well as manage ear and nose hair. The adjustable trimming length allows you to customize your look between 1 to 20 millimeters, making it simple to achieve your desired style. Powered by a high-speed motor and sharp stainless steel blades, it provides a smooth, snag-free trimming experience. Plus, its waterproof design means you can use it in the shower or for quick cleaning under running water, adding to your grooming convenience. What we like: versatile 5-in-1 functionality, adjustable trimming lengths, powerful motor for smooth trimming, waterproof for easy cleaning.